Hello there, I am Tegustu Zariun. This is my channel. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue with the next lesson, which is 3 types of networks. Here we have different types of networks. Based on the using variety of criteria, we have different types of networks. What are the criteria that used to classify each of the networks? Here are the different types of network classified based on the following 4 categories. The first criteria that classifies a network is network media. By using network media as a criteria, we have variety of networks. As using the size of the network as one criteria, we have another types of network. And other criteria that used to classify network is the topology. And other criteria is the resource security and access. Based on resource security and access, we have also types of networks. The type of the network based on this category depended on the variety of criteria. Here is as shown as a figure in diagram. Network classification based on communication medium. We have 2 types of networks based on communication medium, wire network and wireless network. The network classification based on network size, we have personal area network, we have local area network, we have metropolitan area network and wide area network. There is also another criteria that used to classify network, which is based on topology. We have path topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology. And the other criteria to classify network is based on resources and access. We have peer-to-peer and client-server types of network. Types of networks based on different perspectives. The first classification is types of network based on connection medium. Based on connection medium, computer networks are classified into wired and wireless networks. The first one is wired network. Wired networks are also called Ethernet networks, are the most common types of local area network technology says. We have 2 types of networks based on connection medium, wired and wireless network. The first is wired network. The wired networks are also called Ethernet networks, are the most common types of local area network in network type, because a network type in a specific room, a network type for a school, a network type for a specific building is classified under or categorized under wired network, which uses cables mostly in a specific place, mostly a local area network type. They uses cables. A wired network is a simply collection of 2 or more computers, printers, and other devices linked by Ethernet cables. Mostly a computer found in a specific room, in a specific building or in a school, they uses cables, wires. By using Ethernet cables, mostly unshielded twisted pair cable, it's possible to establish a network. Therefore, based on the connection medium, the first is using cable, which is based on connection medium, wired network is using cables. Possible to connect more than 2 computers. Here is 3 PCs. PC1, PC2, PC3 are connected with the switch and established with the internet service provider by using telephone line. They are connected by cables. Printer also here connected with cable. They use this wire network. The second classification is which is a network type without using a cable or unguided media. In case of the first wired network, it uses wire, therefore it is sometimes called wired, guided media. And when you come to wireless network, it is unguided media. Which is a wireless network? You'll see a wireless access point connecting with a wireless or wired computer and a model that connects to the network with the internet or the cloud, it says. Here is an access point. It is wireless. It connects with other devices using wire based. Therefore, it is in the case of this wireless network, the access point doesn't use a cable. Therefore, it is a wireless network type. In the case of wireless networks have no physical connection with the wired network. Comparing with that of wired networks, wireless networks have no physical connection with the wired network. Instead, they get connected through the wireless access point. Instead of using cables, they get connected with the wireless access point here. A wireless network which uses high frequency radio waves rather than wires to communicate between nodes in another option for home or business networking. How can we get Wi-Fi or wireless internet access? By using wireless access points on the router. It's possible to communicate with mobiles or other laptops without using cables.